Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to highlight text in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, let me tell you that Canva doesn't have a direct highlight text button like some word processors, but of course we are going to show you some effective ways to achieve a text highlighting effect. You can simulate a highlight effect by adding a colored background behind the text or using other creative methods. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to click the templates if you haven't already. You can choose business, social media, education, video, marketing, print products, or click the create a design if you have a design already in your mind. In my case, I'm going to choose the blank YouTube thumbnail because after recording this video, I'm going to upload alongside with it a thumbnail in our G-Plafs YouTube channel. Now here, I'm going to click on upload. Now for you to be able to highlight a text, I want you to click on the text element on the left side panel of your dashboard and click the add a text box. Normally, if you put in here, you see there's no highlight, right? The background color is white. I want you to resize the font so we can all see it. Like 72, maybe that's too much. Maybe like around 50, like 42. Yeah, 42 is okay. Now, for us to be able to add a highlight or highlight this text, all we're going to do is go to the left hand panel of your dashboard, click elements, and of course I want you to click on shapes. Now just drag the elements right here at the back of your text, kind of like that's one of the easiest way for you to highlight. Of course, you're not limited with the colors. You can choose any color that you wanted, but of course do not choose white. All right, obviously you have all of these, and if you wanted to kind of like have a gradient effect, you can also do that right here. So these are some of your options. All right, now another option that you can do is essentially, I'm gonna group this together. Press shift and press shift at the item or the elements, group them so you can drag them easily on top without any problem. Resize. Now what I'm going to do is add again this image right here. I'm going to ungroup for now because I just wanted to have the text. I don't want the highlighted text right here. Now I want you to go to the element section or the app section in the left side panel of your dashboard. Click on gradient. Type gradient. You see, if you click that, click the type gradient, and from here, all I'm gonna do is it's gonna be loading some fonts. You can type your main text here, for example, this, and of course you would have this option. If you click that, all I'm gonna do is add to design, and it would generate a highlighted text here in Canva. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.